Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me in today's virtual presentation at the BIM Coordinator Summit Middle East North Africa event. I'm very happy and excited to guide you through the topic of effective BIM adoption through education and training. I'll be very happy to share with you my insights into the crucial role that education and training play in driving successful BIM adoption experiences. So before we delve into the insightful presentation ahead, let me introduce myself first. I am Zineb FAIQ. I am an architect, BIM professional and trainer with a lasting passion for BIM technologies that has grown over time, over several years. As one of the co-founders of Digital Technology Consultancy, which is an international structure based in the UK, my focus has been on providing global consultancy and training in digital construction technologies. I'm also the founder of Zineb Architectura, which is an architecture practice based in Morocco. So this dual role allows me to bridge the gap between theory and practice, and also to bring real-world architecture insights into the education and trainer program models that I deliver. In addition to these roles, I'm also actively involved in teaching general BIM models, BIM applications such as Revit Architecture or Navisworks, and this is for architecture students in architecture schools and universities in Morocco, guiding yearly around 250 future architects through the intricacies of BIM technology. I do hold the BIM Foundation Basic Certification from BuildSmart. Additionally, my proficiency in Revit architecture is recognized through my ACP certification. I'm pursuing my postgraduate master's degree related to BIM and management at Oxford Brookes University in England. I am also actively engaged with the industry through memberships in key organizations, including Women in BIM and BuildSmart Morocco. Now that you know more about me, without further ado, let's dive into our topic and explore the summary and key highlights of our presentation. So firstly, as an introduction, we'll highlight the impact of digital transformation and recognize the role of BIM in the construction industry. Then we'll tackle challenges in BIM implementation, emphasizing solutions. Moving forward, we will underscore the crucial significance of education and training with a specific focus on skill development. We'll then highlight the importance of aligned trainer materials, ensuring they strategically align with organization objectives. Our journey includes a critical look at the past strategies, refining our approach. As we draw toward the end, we will offer a comprehensive conclusion to capture the essence of the presentation. So as we all know, in the era of rapid technology progress, businesses across diverse industries are undergoing a sweeping paradigm shift through the process of digital transformation. So this overarching concept covers the integration of cutting-edge technologies to enhance operational efficiency, to improve decision-making processes, to elevate overall productivity by optimizing workflows and nurturing innovation. So digital transformations have become a fundamental cornerstone for organizations striving to flourish in the era of digital transformations and advancements that we're all facing. So within the architecture, engineering, and construction industry, this wave of digital transformation has manifested itself through the integration of BIM, Building Information Modeling. So BIM stands out as a silent technological advancement, making a notable ascendancy within the AEC domain. This innovative approach to project management and design facilitates collaboration, information sharing, and real-time decision-making among various stakeholders involved in the construction process. As we explore the implication of BIM within the AEC sector, it becomes evident that this integration is not merely a technological upgrade, but a transformative force, rephasing the landscape of how projects are conceived, executed, and maintained. So this transformative process doesn't come without its challenges. Skillfully overcoming these obstacles is essential to fully capitalize on the potential offered by BIM technology. Talking about challenges, we need to bear in mind that the adoption of BIM requires, firstly, to navigate legal aspects and dealing with concerns such as data ownership, liability, and standardization. So it's very crucial to establish collaboration agreements and well-defined contractual frameworks to actively or effectively handle responsibilities, including data integration. Talking about data, the data governance, because we have the complexities associated with managing vast amounts of data, demand a structured and coordinated approach. So we need to go through a very structured data in order to get the most use out of it. So data governance ensures that information is accurate, reliable, and secure, laying a foundation for informed decision-making throughout the project lifecycle. Second challenge that we're facing while adopting BIM is the collaboration. The lack of collaboration is considered as one of the BIM adoption issues that we need to handle, because it's caused by interoperability issues, workflow integration, as well as communication gap. So fostering collaboration among stakeholders is essential for seamless communication and integration for diverse perspectives by navigating these complexities with our collaboration strategies. Another aspect related to issues we're facing into BIM adoption is related to cultural barriers. So this is also considered to be a significant challenge as well, because we have resistance to change, so unwillingness to embrace new BIM technologies and tools. So it's important to foster a culture of adaptability to mitigate resistance. Lack of awareness, because we have limited understanding of BIM benefits and potential. So we need to promote awareness through education to showcase the advantages of BIM in order to face the lack of awareness we have in. The third element is the technological illiteracy. So diverse levels of technological proficiency within the organizations. So we need to, that's really creates disparities in understanding and utilization of BIM tools. So it's crucial to implement comprehensive training programs. Talking about the cultural barriers, we also led to lack of BIM skilled professionals. So the absence of skilled practitioners proficient in BIM poses a significant obstacle in the effective implementation of BIM methodologies. So BIM's intricate and multi-phase nature necessitates a competent workflows capable of unlocking its full potential. So because the absence of skilled practitioners poses significant obstacles and obstruct the smooth incorporation of BIM and limits the realization of its transformative advantages. That's why it's really recommended to have competent workflows with comprehensive understanding in order to unlock the full potential for streamlined project management and collaboration, and also to maximize the advantages for construction industry. This is very important. That's why it's very important to address these challenges and foster our workflows capable of navigating the complexities of BIM in general. As we tackled the challenges related to BIM adoption, it's very important to emphasize the role of education and training. So we have three key transformation pillars for successful digital transformation in construction: technology, processes, and people. So we need to work on the people component. So while talking about the education and training, we're tackling the people components, because we might have a good technology infrastructure, we might have the processes and standardizations are set, But if we don't have the skilled people to use them, then we're not really having effective BIM adoption. So that's why it's really important to focus on the three components. And within our topic, we're more focused on people component. So that's why it's very good, it's very important to underline the need for targets education programs. Education is considered as the foundation, so it establishes the fundamental knowledge required and provides a grasp of BIM principles, methodologies, and tools. For education perspective, it's mainly a long-lasting programs, while on the other hand, training programs are more for practical application. So it's really bridged the gap between the theory and the practice and promotes the practical implementation of knowledge. So the combined method impacts the technical expertise and goes beyond theory, emphasizing practical skills and holistic comprehension. So that's why it's very important to have the comprehensive approach toward this topic. While dealing with the education training, we will get to a list of advantages. So we will have a continuous learning for dynamic technology, promotes the culture of innovation, a workflows that are capable for project excellence, the crucial role in modern construction. So we need to we'll be able to address the challenges of modern construction through human capital investments. And also, we emphasize the transformative journey facilitated by skilled and knowledgeable professionals that will really change the experience of BIM implementation. While dealing with the importance of the education and the training for BIM adoption, we need to tackle the strategy and the right strategy to have into the training choosing program. So customizing educational materials is crucial for maximizing the impact of BIM adoption. Aligning learning materials with audience needs for optimal impact. So to have these customizing materials, it's required to, it requires a thoughtful approach that takes into consideration various factors such as skill levels, and we can do the ranging from beginner to advanced users, and the skill levels actually provide fundamental content for those with limited experience and advanced models for those already proficient in basic BIM skills. So begin by assessing the current skill levels for the participants. So this ensures that each individual can learn at their own pace. So the first factor. The second one is related to industry experience, and we need to understand the specific requirements and challenges for this industry with which the participants operates. The project specifications also is to be considered, and the goal-oriented. So we have to have a clearly articulate the learning objectives of the training programs. Another very important aspect that I would like to talk about is to implement feedback mechanisms, because it's continually make us assess the effectiveness of the training programs we're delivering, and input from participants enables us to understand the evolving needs and adjust the training materials accordingly. So it's an ongoing process. We're not really having a toolkit or a program that will last forever. It's meant to be an ongoing, evolving process. So that's why having feedback mechanism is very important. Talking about training toolkit. So training toolkit refers to a comprehensive set of educational resources, materials, tools that are designed to facilitate the learning and development of skills related to BIM processes and technology. So BIM training toolkits typically include a variety of components such as educational models, software tutorials, case studies, standards and guidelines, interactive exercises, certification program, and updates and due, because it's very important to have information on the latest developments and updates and advancements in the BIM technology to keep professionals informed about the industry trends and changes. So within our organization, Digital Technology Consultancy, we do provide an array of diverse training toolkits. Some samples include, for example, BIM handbooks, BIM applications, exchange information requirement templates, maybe some toolkits that are related to Open BIM, BIM in practice. We do also have industry-specific BIM training, and among others. So why it is important to reflect on past strategies in training for BIM adoption, because it holds a significant role, and this is for several reasons. First, it enables us to have a continuous improvement of training programs, tailoring training to learners' needs, identifying successful training methods, adapting evolving technology, increasing training program efficiency, and improving trainer competency. So it involves evaluating the competency of trainers, feedback from past training sessions that can guide the professional development for trainers, enabling them to continually improve and adapt the evolving demand of BIM, as we've just mentioned before. So I would like to share with you a couple of insights and drawing from past experiences and lessons learned. Some valuable insights have been acquired, and I would like to share with you a couple of them. First one is the responsibility for promoting adoption of BIM lies with the consultants and training providers, because their tasks with showcasing the advantages of BIM to attract professionals to enroll in BIM training programs. So this is a very important aspect to have in, the trainer personality, is really to emphasize and to showcase and to promote the importance and the significance of BIM in order to have people interested in the trainer training themselves into BIM applications or any BIM toolkits. So the second one is the role-based training. So ensuring that participants gain practical and relevant knowledge tailored on their specific roles. The third one, and this is a very important one, is this related to certification emphasis. So there is a significant emphasis on certifications in BIM training. This is something that we really mentioned before, and this is because training programs that do not lead to the obtention of certificates are likely to be less appealing to professionals, because nowadays certification is considered a crucial aspect of BIM training, indicating a tangible measure of proficiency and accomplishment. So fourth and last insight that I would like to share with you is the continuous professional development, because participating in BIM training is viewed not only as one-time certification, but as a part of a broader commitment to continuous professional development within the evolving field of building information modeling, as we already mentioned before. So in conclusion, the key to successful BIM integration in the AEC industry lies in comprehensive strategy, education and training significance, strategic learning, material tailoring, and an in-depth examination of previous approaches. I would like to end on a note. If you think training is expensive, try ignorance. That's the end of the presentation. I would like to thank you all for your attention and presence. I hope that it proved I was useful for you. I'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions. Feel free to reach out to email or LinkedIn for more information. Thanks again and enjoy the rest of the presentation.